Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn over $500 per month by performing simple tasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk. So for those of you who do not know, Amazon Mechanical Turk is a crowdsourcing website where companies or individuals can basically post jobs and then for people to perform, right? And you as a worker, when you go there and then perform some of these jobs, you get paid, per every task you perform, right? So without further ado, I would like to take you to the website and then show you how you can basically earn this amount per month. Okay, so head over to Google and type Amazon Mechanical Turk. Alright, so you click on the first link and I will take you to the Amazon Mechanical Turk website. So in here you will basically see what Amazon Mechanical Turk is basically about. So it says Amazon Mechanical Turk is a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce can perform these tasks virtually. All right, so some of the tasks that you could perform include survey participation, content moderation, simple data validation, and so much more, right? So to work on these tasks, you need to sign in as a worker. Okay, so we have sign in as a requester. So basically the requesters are people or organizations that basically post the work, right? They post the job, and then the worker is you, the individual who wants to perform the task. Okay, so in here you will see some of the companies or organizations that's basically post tasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk for individuals to perform. So we have Pinterest, WikiHow, quite a lot of organizations, right? Once you sign in as a worker, you will be sent to the actual website. Okay, so on the website you will basically see HITs. So these are basically human intelligent tasks. So these are basically the tasks that you as a worker you can basically work on, right? And then you could see with each HIT you could see the reward. That's the amount of money you would basically get once you perform every HIT. Like every task you get 0.05 for this particular first one. All right, and then it was created like 6 seconds ago. So you could also see the HITs, so the number of tasks or HITs that this particular requester has, right? So you could see it's like 28,568. Okay, quite a huge number. And then depending on your profile or your account, you may or may not qualify for certain HITs. So with these ones, basically based on your profile or your account, I am eligible for these ones, right? So if you are not eligible for any of the HITs, right, you will see this padlock button, right? But you can request for qualification or basically take a test for the requester to actually accept you. Okay, and then once you click on each HIT, you would basically see a description. You see a description of the task and then a time allotted for it, right? So we have a time that it's you can basically work on the task and also when it expires. Okay, so once you qualify for any HIT, you can accept and then work. So with this you can basically earn a lot of money. So let's say even though the reward is kind of small, we also have some tasks that that have higher rewards like this. That's $7.50 per every tax. We have it varies, you understand. It varies. Some are small, some are huge. So depending on the HIT that you basically qualify for, you can work on some of these things. Okay, let's say you select this HIT. So this one is like 7.5, and then each day you complete like let's say you 10. All right, that gives you like 75, and with that 75 multiplied by like 10 or 20 20 days in a month, I mean that's kind of money. That's $1,500. And pretty much there's a good amount of money, as a side hustle, right? So guys, if this tutorial was helpful for you, you can basically give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I basically make videos on how to make money online, how to start an online business, and stuff like that. So basically, if this is what interests you, all right, you can basically subscribe to this YouTube channel to get notified whenever I post a new video. All right, so see you in the next tutorial.